Dumpster rental service in Tiffin, Iowa. Dealing with piles of debris from a renovation or cleanup can be overwhelming. Lee's Junk Removal and Property Care makes waste disposal simple and hassle-free. As your trusted dumpster rental service in Tiffin, Iowa, we offer affordable, reliable solutions to help you manage your cleanup projects effortlessly. Whether working on a home renovation, clearing out your attic, or managing construction debris, our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for all types of waste. We serve Tiffin and surrounding areas with prompt delivery and pickup to keep your project moving smoothly. Lee's Junk Removal and Property Care is locally owned, and we take pride in offering convenient and efficient waste solutions tailored to your needs. No job is too big or small. Our roll-off containers are designed for residential, commercial, and construction waste. Need a dumpster rental in Tiffin, Iowa? Call 319-284-6363 today to book your roll-off container or junk removal service. Let us help you clean up and get the job done right.